Welcome to APS online tutorials. This is the part 2 of the APSC Combined Competitive Exam 2015 Prelims GS paper. So the question number 33, I have continued from question number 33 because up to 32 part 1 is finished. So this is question number 33. So the most essential feature of the parliamentary form of government is the option A, sovereignty of the parliament, B, written constitution, C, accountability of the executive to the legislature, D, independent judiciary. So here the correct answer is option A. The correct answer is option A, sovereignty of the parliament. Sovereignty, this term sovereignty means, this sovereignty term means, it means the supreme power or authority. If in an election to a state legislative assembly the candidate who is declared elected loses his deposit, then it means that option A, polling was very poor, B, the election was for a multi-member constituency, C, the elected candidate's victory over his nearest rival was very marginal, D, a very large number of candidates contested in the elections. See, the answer is here option D. The answer is option D. That means if in an election to a state legislative assembly the candidate who is declared elected loses his deposit, then it means that very large number of candidates contested in the elections. It is decided recently that 2022 Commonwealth Games will be held in South Africa. Which one of the following cities would host the 2022 Commonwealth Games? So the options are A, Durban, B, Pretoria, C, Kimberley, D, Johannesburg. So here the correct answer is option A, Durban. The correct answer is option A, Durban. Now one more important value to know is where FIFA World Cup 2018 and 22 will be held. So 2018 FIFA World Cup will be held in Russia. 2018 FIFA World Cup will be held in Russia. It will be held in Russia. And 2022 World Cup will be held in 2022 World Cup will be held in Qatar. It will be held in Qatar. So this Qatar is a Middle East country. First this Russia's capital is Moscow and Qatar's capital is Doha. Recently India won the top UNESCO Prize Award of Excellence 2015 for the remarkable conservation efforts of the majestic Sri Vadakkunnathan temple in Kerala. In which of the following cities is the temple located? Option A, Trivandrum, B, Kozhikode, C, Thrissur, D, Vellayani. The answer is option C, Thrissur. Thrissur is the correct answer. All the options given is a city in Kerala. This A, B, all the options are given. It is a city in Kerala, but the option D, Vellayani, it is a village. It is a village in Kerala. It is a village in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram. It is a village in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram is the present name of Trivandrum. It is the old name. Trivandrum is the old name of Thiruvananthapuram. On which of the following dates was the first International Yoga Day celebrated? The options are A. June 5, 2015, B. July 21, 2015, C. June 21, 2015, D. August 21, 2015. So the correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option C, June 21, 2015. From 21 June 2015, the day is celebrated as International Yoga Day. Nowadays, Indian government has given emphasis to yoga and made it as a subject in a school level. So the first International Yoga Day was June 21, 2015. Which state government in India appointed the first transgender principal in May 2015? So the options are Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Maharashtra and West Bengal. The answer is option D, West Bengal. The first name of the transgender principal was Manobi Bandyopadhyay. The name is Manobi Bandyopadhyay. Which private sector bank has launched a service recently where customers can make transactions using just their voice as means of authentication? Option A, ICICI Bank, B, Axis Bank, C, IndusInd Bank, D, HDFC Bank. The answer is option A, ICICI Bank. They are using voice password as means of authentication. In which city was the 21st Asian Athletics Championship 2015 held? Option A, Wuhan, B, Seoul, C, Hong Kong, D, Beijing. The correct answer is option A, Wuhan. The hot, dry, dusty local wind of the Sahara Desert is known as option A, Mistral, B, Chinook, C, Harmattan, D, Sirocco. So here the correct answer is option D, Sirocco. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world and third highest desert in the world after Antarctica and Arctic. The area of this Sahara Desert is almost 92 lakhs kilometer square, which is almost the area of the United States. To empower women, the Women 20 group has been launched by G20. Who is the newly appointed president of the G20 group? Option A, Golden Taktan, B, Angel Gurria, C, Christine Lagarde, D, Lakshmi Puri. So here the correct answer is option A, Golden Taktan. This name is important, Christina Lagarde, because he is the this is not he, this is a female person. She is the presently managing director of IMF's present managing director, International Monetary Fund. What is the mainstay of Indian economy? Option A, manufacturing, B, agriculture, C, business, D, public sector undertaking. So here the correct answer is option B, agriculture. See, agriculture is the mainstay of the Indian economy because of its high share in employment and livelihood creation. It is the only means of living for almost two-thirds of the employed class in India. It is almost the two-thirds of two-third means of living. Deficit financing means that the government borrows money from the option A, Revenue Department, B, World Bank, C, Reserve Bank of India, D, State Bank of India. Here the correct answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. Where is the headquarter of Reserve Bank of India? The headquarter of Reserve Bank of India is in Mumbai. Which is the most important source of income for the government of India? Option A, interest. Option B, excise duty. C, license fee. D, income tax. Here the correct answer is option B, excise duty. The three main targets of excise taxation is in most countries around the world is tobacco, alcohol and gasoline. The first two are considered to be legal drugs. Tobacco and alcohol are considered to be legal drugs which are a cause of illness like cancer used by a large number of population. And the third one means the gasoline, it is a contributor to polluted air in the environment. The city to host the 2022 Olympic Winter Games is option A, Beijing, B, Seoul, C, Almaty, D, Helsinki. Here the correct answer is option A, Beijing. The correct answer is option A, Beijing. Beijing is the capital of China. The currency of China is renminbi. Renminbi. The currency of China is renminbi. The yuan is the basic unit of renminbi. Yuan is the basic unit of renminbi. We have got in school days the currency is directly written as yuan. The currency of China is directly written as yuan, but it is actually not. The basic unit is renminbi. It is the basic unit, means yuan is the basic unit of renminbi. Like in India, paise is the basic unit of rupees. Which of the following will not come under the proposed GST in India? GST. This meaning, the meaning of GST is goods and service tax. Option A, agriculture products. B, handicrafts. C, gems and jewelries. D, petroleum products. Here the correct answer is option D, petroleum products. Till now, petroleum products, alcohol and these are not included in GST, but government is planning for it. Which movie won the Best Film Award in the 61 National Film Awards 2014? Option A, Shahid. B, Bhag Milkha Bhag. C, Ship of Theseus. D, Fenrir. So here the correct answer is option C, Ship of Theseus. It was released in 2013. This movie was released in 2013 and it is a Hindi film. The former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, breathed his last while delivering a lecture at option A, IIT Guwahati. B, IIM Shillong. C, IIT Kanpur. D, IIM Ahmedabad. The correct answer is option B, IIM Shillong. The former president was delivering a lecture on livable planet. He was delivering a lecture on livable planet. Who among the following is associated with the creations You Said It, The Common Man, and The Tunnel of Time? These are the three creations of a man. So who is that man? Option A, R.K. Lakshman, B, R.K. Narayan, C, Khushwant Singh, D, Ruskin Bond. So here the correct answer is option A, R.K. Lakshman. Option A, R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman was the cartoonist of India. He was an Indian cartoonist. The Tunnel of Time, this one, The Tunnel of Time, is the autobiography of R.K. Lakshman. It was the autobiography of R.K. Lakshman. Again, R.K. Narayan, this one, the second name is important because he was also an Indian most famous Indian writer, who is famous for his fictional work in Malgudi Days. He is famous for his work in Malgudi Days. This was a collection of short stories. This was Malgudi Days is a collection of short stories. It is a collection of short stories, but it is later implemented as a Indian TV series. Khushwant Singh was also an Indian novelist. His famous book include Train to Pakistan and The Sunset Club. Train to Pakistan and Sunset Club. Ruskin Bond is also an Indian writer of British descent. He was an Indian writer, but the descent is British. India's first women's bank is option A, Women's Bank of India, option B, Mahila Bank of India, option C, Bharatiya Mahila Bank, D, Mahila State Bank of India. The answer is option C, Bharatiya Mahila Bank. It was established in 2013. It was established in 2013 and its headquarters is in New Delhi. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Who has become the first Test captain in cricket history to score 3 centuries in first 3 innings? Option A, Kumar Sangakkara, B, Steve Smith, C, Virat Kohli, D, MS Dhoni. So here the correct answer is option C, Virat Kohli. The correct answer is option C, Virat Kohli. He has scored 3 consecutive centuries in his first 3 innings as captain. NITI in Niti Aayog stands for option A, National Institution for Transforming India, B, New Initiative for Transforming India, C, New Indian Thinking Initiative, D, National Initiative for Transforming India. The correct answer is option A, National Institute for Transforming India. The chairperson of Niti Aayog. Who is the chairperson of Niti Aayog? The chairperson of Niti Aayog is our Prime Minister, means Narendra Modi, and Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog is Arvind Pangaria. Arvind Pangaria. What does JAM number Trinity solution means as per the Economic Survey 2014 and 15? Option A, Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and Mobile. Option B, Jan Dhan, Awas, Mobile. C, Jan Dhan, Account, Money. D, Jan Dhan, Aadhaar, Market. The answer is option A, Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and Mobile. Which 5-year plan focused on growth with justice, social justice and equity. Option A, 6th 5-year plan, B, 7th 5-year plan, C, 8th 5-year plan, D, 9th 5-year plan. The answer is option D, 9th 5-year plan. First 5-year plan was introduced in 1951. It was introduced in 1951. Now 12th 5-year plan is going on, which is from 2012 to 2017. The new scheme Pahal by the Government of India is related to option A, nutritional support to the secondary school children, B, direct benefit transfer under Right to Food Act, C, direct benefit transfer to LPG means DBTL, D, cash transfer to the farmers due to inclement weather and crop loss. So here the correct answer is option C, direct benefit transfer for LPG means DBTL. Now what the scheme is DBTL? This scheme gives cash subsidy on cooking gas. This scheme gives cash subsidy to cooking gas directly to consumers so that they can buy cooking gas at a market price. It will help government to save up to almost 14,000 crore. It almost save 14,000 crore. Which is not a kharif crop? Option A, jowar, B, maize, C, wheat, D, groundnut. The answer is option C, wheat. Crops are generally classified on the basis of seasons. These crops are generally classified on the basis of seasons. First one is kharif crop, this one, and the second one is rabi crop. So these kharif crops are grown during the monsoon season. Kharif crops are grown during the monsoon season, means the rainy season, and these rabi crops are grown during the winter season. It is grown during the winter season, means the season which is currently going on. The Union government has recently announced a list of 98 cities and towns selected under Smart Cities Mission. Which state has been allocated the highest number of cities in the coveted list? Option A, Tamil Nadu, B, Uttar Pradesh, C, Maharashtra, D, Gujarat. The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Till now only 20 cities are has been approved out of the 98 shortlisted cities. This out of the 98 shortlisted cities, only 20 cities are approved. What is Aadhaar? Option A modern number of the permanent account number. The B, option B, the popular name of the Kisan credit card. C, a 12-digit individual identification number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India. D, the bank account number under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So here the correct answer is option C, a 12-digit identification number issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India. The National Population Policy announced in February 2000 aims at achieving a stable population consisting with economic growth, social development and environmental protection by the year option A 2015, option B 2025, option C 2035, option D 2045. So the correct answer is option D 2045. Diego Garcia is an island located in Option A Arabian Sea, B Indian Ocean, C Atlantic Ocean, D South Pacific Ocean. So here the correct answer is option B Indian Ocean. It is located, this Diego Garcia is located almost 1796 kilometers. 1796 kilometers from the south of the Kanyakumari. It is located 1798 kilometers south from the Kanyakumari. Buxar district of Assam was created from the parts of the which of the following districts? Option A Barpeta, Nalbari and Kamrup, B Gwalpara and Kokrajhar, C Bongaigaon and Kokrajhar, D Darang, Barpeta and Nalbari. So here the correct answer is option A Barpeta, Nalbari and Kamrup. So it was created in October 2003. This one Buxar district is created in October 2003, but it has start functioning from June 2004. It has start functioning from June 2004. Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of which of the following? Option A 23.5 degree east line of longitude, B 80.5 degree east line of longitude, C 66.5 degree east line of longitude, D 82.5 degree east line of longitude. So here the correct answer is option D 82.5 degree east line of longitude. Here I have given a figure here to know about the longitude and what is latitude. What is longitude and what is latitude? These are the imaginary lines. This one is the these two are the imaginary lines which are drawn on maps easily to locate the places on earth. See here the latitude, this one is the figure for latitude. Latitude varies from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north and south at the poles. And this one is the figure for longitude, and longitude varies from 0 degree at Greenwich to 180 degree east and west. Among the countries in the world, India's rank in terms of area is option A 5th, B 7th, C 11th, D 13th. So here the answer is option B 7th. Option B 7th. Area of India is almost 33 lakhs. It is almost 33 lakhs kilometers square. 33 lakhs kilometers square. And number one place which is in terms of area is Russia. It is Russia, and its area is almost 1 crore. Its area is almost 1 crore 71 lakh 71 lakh kilometer square, which is almost 5 times the area of the India. In terms of area, smallest district of Assam is in which of the following? Option A Chirang, B Buxar, C Kamrup Metro, D Odalguri. So here the correct answer is option C Kamrup Metro. Its area is almost 1527 kilometers square, means almost 1600. It is almost 1600. And in terms of area, the largest district in Assam is Karbi Anglong. The largest district in Assam is Karbi Anglong. Karbi Anglong. And its area is almost 10,000 its area is almost 10,500 kilometer square. Its area is almost 10,500 kilometer square, and this is almost a double of that of Sonitpur district. This one is almost double of that of Sonitpur district, but the Sonitpur district is in number 2, means number 1 place is almost double in comparison with number 2. The capital city of Assam was established at Dispur in option A 1973, option B 1971, option C 1975, D 1978. So here the correct answer is option A 1973. Before this, Shillong was the capital of Assam. Before Dispur, what is the capital of Assam? It is Shillong. But this Shillong is now the capital of Meghalaya, and this Meghalaya is carved out from Assam in 1972. Meghalaya is carved out of Assam in 1972. Before it was a part of the seven system, means it is the part of the Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. So the solution of the 2015 prelims GS section will be continued till part 3. This is the end of the part 2 of the video. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.